How to make easy Hardgroove Techno. First, let's set the tempo somewhat like 145 BPM and start with a short 909 kick from my sample pack. Then some bright open hi-hats. A hard hitting clap like this. And a 16-note percussion pattern. And I'll adjust the velocity of these to give a sidechain kind of feeling. Let's take down lows. The highs. And boost around here. Then some closed hi-hats. Some shakers. And some percussion loops. And I'll use some percussion one-shots to create a cool pattern to help increase the groove of the track. Then some crashes. And some rides. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample by Infinite Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now let's create the classic techno rumble bass. For that, I'll use a parallel channel to add reverb with wet signal turned all the way up. And a high cut around 150 Hz. And let's use a limiter to sidechain this key. Then let's make a simple bass pattern following the root note. As I tune this and take down lows to stop it clashing with the rumble. Some compression on the low end. And let's saturate some mids. Most of the synth sounds we're going to use are actually suited for dub techno too. So let's use some different types of synths to make a call and response melody. Let's link all three of them to a mixer channel and add some reverb, some delay, and some EQ to dip the lows. And let's boost the highs. Then some simple synth chords. Let's sidechain this and turn down the lows. We also need to make some chord steps. As sidechain this, then let's add a really soft melody just to play beneath everything. To make this fit with the rest of the track, let's turn down the highs and the lows. Then I'll add a vocal loop. Now that the drops are down, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick and the percussion. Then after 8 bars, we can add the chords, the shakers, the vocals, and some open hi-hats. At the next 8 bars, let's add the rest of the open hi-hats, the claps, the bass, and the percussion one-shots. Let's use this crash to transition into the build-up. Add the synths and the plucks, and let's add some snares to build it up to the drop like this. For the snares, let's create a pitch automation and a volume automation. Then we need some rises and some downlifters. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.